Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video in which I wanted to go over Fantom. I think for obvious reasons, but if you don't know, Fantom has been ridiculously bullish here. We've seen one of the biggest bids coming in I've seen in a very long period of time. Like, this is over the last 2 days, and you can see that consistently we've seen these big surges in buying coming in. Not only buying, but also shorts being closed, so that helps as well. The technical structure is incredibly bullish here. Also on the higher time frames, we just got a big bullish breakout. So I wanted to give you my thoughts on this. All right, I wanted to talk a little bit more about the fundamentals here and the technicals as well, right? So we'll just do a full overview of what you need to know, and hopefully at the end of the video you're prepared for what's going to happen. In short, I am bullish on Fantom. All right, whether you agree with me or not, that's up to you. But we'll talk about it. So if you look at Fantom right now, like, one of the key reasons why it is bullish, it's two things. Like, the market warming up is definitely one of them. All right, the market has been relatively strong in the last week and a half, and that helps certain projects. And what you see is that big money, or at least it seems like it is big money. Otherwise, we would not have been able to see such a move since the 6th of September of 56% right now. Big money is looking for plays and catalysts to put money into. Fantom, historically, like the last, I would say last 3 years, that they've not done too well. Last 2.5 years, I would say. But in 2021, they were actually one of the biggest chains. And the team behind it has consistently proven that they can build great projects. Now, what they're doing right now is they're building an EVM chain. All right, they're building Sonic, which is going to be Fantom. All right, so Fantom is completely, at least as I know, is completely scaling out, and it's going to be a Sonic Labs, all right, which is the world's fastest EVM chain. And I do think that this has potential. Now, the sentiment around this is very mixed, right? So some people hate this, some people love this. I think we'll have to see how it does, all right? So I think we'll have to see what the stats will be, what the total value locked will be, how many decentralized applications will be built on this. But for now, this is one of the biggest releases this year, right? So what you see is that the market is warming up, money is flowing towards things that are interesting, things that have some sort of a catalyst, and this is one of them. So that's what we're seeing. That's fundamentally where I think most of this bullish momentum comes from, apart from the market and probably some sort of a market maker pushing this up, of course. And then if you look at the technicals, it just looks great. All right. Now I tried to do some sort of a structural analysis of what this could be. If you really zoom in, this could be the start of some sort of a big impulse wave up, right? So that right now we are in that third wave. And I do think if you look at the momentum we have, there is a lot of impulse in this. I think we had a beautiful 1-2 wave here from this bottom the 6th of August into the bottom the 6th of September. And it's also confirmed, I think, by breaking above this significant level right here. Not 50 cents, although that's a major psychological resistance level as well, of course. But no, if you look at this level here, between 55 cents and, well, let's for simplicity say 50 cents, that is historically a very, very strong level. So now, look, on the daily time frame, 12-hour time frame, on the high time frames, we still have to secure that bullish breakout, but on the 4-hour time frame, we have already broken it with momentum. So it seems likely that, at least to kind of talk about this on the short term, look, we're going to have a lot of volatility tomorrow with the interest rates, but I would be surprised. Overall, my expectation for Bitcoin is bullish. I'll be honest, I would be surprised if we actually give up this entire breakout, right? So I do think that somewhere right here, pretty close to where we are right now, around 60 cents, I do think we'll see a pullback into that level right here, let's say between 50 and 52 cents. But with this major catalyst coming up relatively soon, with the momentum we've already seen so far because of that catalyst, or at least partially because of that catalyst, and because of my expectation of the market circumstances, I would say that yes, we're going to pull back, but I do think after that pullback we'll find strong support, and that we can get that hopefully fifth wave up into that 65 cents level. And then afterwards we'll talk again about what's possible. But that's what I would say if you look at the situation in the markets right now, combined with the fundamentals for Fantom, or soon to be Sonic, I would say that's most likely. All right, so those are my thoughts for now. Something like this. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.